Happy holidays! Welcome to Diamond Painting with Dee. My name is Dee, and I'm so glad you joined me here today. I hope you had a great Christmas and Hanukkah, and that you're getting ready to have a fantastic new year. Today I'm going to show you a couple of diamond paintings that I purchased from Amazon. So here we are in the middle of the winter, and it's cold and just not my favorite time of the year. It's been in single digits here. It's been below zero a couple of days. Today is supposed to warm up. But I thought we'd take a look at something that was a little more inviting than this cold weather that I've been dealing with. So for today, I have this diamond painting of the seashore. Before we get into that, let's look at what this painting kit comes with. Again, this is from Amazon. And in this package, this particular painting came with 2 plates of wax, your basic diamond painting pen, and a squishy for the pen, and bags if you kit up in little baggies. This one also came with baggies. It also came with stickers, so you can label your baggies, and of course your basic tray. Let me get this stuff back in this bag that it came in. So that this came with a little more than what the bare minimum that most of these paintings come with. I like the stickers. I won't be using the baggies to kit up, but I could still use the stickers on my containers that I use. So that's a nice little bonus to have with this one. In this you have, I don't know if it's a sunrise or a sunset, but it's the sun over the water. You have some starfish and some seashells. And I thought that this time of year, I daydream of going to the beach. So I thought this was a nice one to have for what will be my last video of the year, considering that it's just a few days away from New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. I hope that you're all ready to embark on a new year. Hope this year's been good to you. So here's some of the drills that came with this kit. Let me open this up for you. We have many shades of purple, which will make this a favorite for me because purple is my favorite color. We got purple, a dusty rose, 2 more shades of purple, and even more purples. I think I would refer to this as a purple beach. I'm going to like this when it's done because anything that has all these purples in it will make me happy. And I'm looking, I see even more purples in the packet that I haven't opened. Purples and pinks, a lot of warm colors with the peaches, and it just makes me think of the tropics. I haven't been down to a beach in 5 years. We went to Myrtle Beach for our honeymoon, and we just celebrated our 5-year wedding anniversary on Christmas Eve. So it's been a while since I've been down to a beach. But this will make me feel nice and warm as I'm putting it together. And this came from Amazon. It is a 30 by 40. It has 24 colors. Most of those are shades of pinks and purples, and different tones of oranges and peaches. So the color palette is going to be not overly varied, but they're closely just different shades and tones of the same colors. So let me put this away. And we'll get out the next one. This one is also from Amazon. This is a 30 by 30. It's really sticky. This one is flowers. It's kind of has a stained glass look to it. That's what attracted me to it. I think it's going to be very pretty. I like that it has a lot of different colors. I think it's going to be very vibrant. And it's going to be fun to do. And once it's completed, I think I'm really going to like this one. It's a 30 by 30. As I mentioned, it is from Amazon. It has 22 colors, and let's look at what it came with. Now, this one does come with your basic plate of wax, your diamond painting tray, and your diamond painting pen. That's what we're more used to. And these colors are, there's a lot of, when I say that there's 22 colors, they really are a variety of colors. It's not just very close tones and shades. Let's open this up. So with New Year's coming up, are you a person that likes to make New Year's resolutions? Leave a comment down below and let me know what your plans are. Do you go out and party? Do you stay up and watch the ball drop? Are you like me and you just go to bed when you're tired and it's New Year's and you wake up the next day? What do you do for New Year's Eve? So let's look at what this comes with. You have purples again, and blues, reds and green, some other shades of green and orange, yellow, more blue, more purple, a brighter red. So this is going to be very vibrant with a nice variety of colors. So when you put this together, I think it really will be reminiscent of a stained glass window. That's what it reminds me of, is stained glass flowers. So those are the only two I have to show you today. I do want to thank you again for joining me. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so you will know when I upload a new video. Again, I hope that you had a fantastic holiday and that you will have a very healthy, safe, and blessed New Year's. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll get together again real soon. Bye-bye.